Alright, what's up, y'all? We got a full day of eating here. First, start off with breakfast. We're gonna do 35 grams of Splenda. This is for our oats. So, we get a banana here. We got our protein powder, 1 scoop. And we got our 35 grams of Splenda, along with our cooking utensils. So, we're gonna bring that pot over there. We're gonna weigh out 170 grams of oats. This is what I have every single morning now for about 5 years. Now we're gonna go ahead and stir up the dry ingredients, get that nice and mixed in well. Then we're gonna take our banana and we're gonna dice that thing up. Just dice. Get it all nice and cut up. Put some water, we're gonna fill it to the top. We want everything to be covered. We're gonna put it on max heat. And while that goes, we're gonna go ahead and unload some dishes. So we just let that sit there until we see our first boil and bubble, and then we stir. And I mean, you want this thing to get as thick as you can, so we're just gonna keep stirring and stir. Oh yeah. Let that go until now we put in our 120 grams of egg whites, liquid egg whites. And now we can go ahead and add that protein powder. So we put that in and we mix. Now that we got that in there, we're gonna go ahead and put that back on the heat, stir it back up. And we want this thing to get thick, super thick. Oh yeah. Next thing you know, you want that consistency to just be just like this. See how long it's taking for it to fall back in there? It's almost like a cake. Now don't forget, you need 8 to 16 ounces of water every single morning. So we're gonna go ahead and get our water in. Now that we've got that in, organs lubricated, we're gonna go ahead and dig in. It's the best part. Enjoy. Oh yeah. So now we're gonna go ahead and take our vitamins. I'll do a video on which vitamins I take every day. I take the same vitamins every single day. So, all right, now we got our snack. We are doing a Quest bar, 190 calories, 21 grams of protein, and 12 grams of fiber. And this is always good for a snack for me. So now we got lunch. We got our tortilla wraps, 60 calories per wrap, and we're gonna look down here. We got 13 grams of fiber and 4 grams of protein. This is a great choice for your tortillas. So we're gonna go with some bear chicken. You can get this at Sam's, 170 calories per serving, 17 grams of protein. So we're gonna go ahead and weigh us out a good 2 servings. If you go a little bit above, that's fine. A little bit below, it's all good. We can go ahead and pop that there in the air fryer, tear that excess parchment off, put that in, increase the temp to 360 for 13 minutes, and we're gonna let that cook. While that's cooking, we're gonna go ahead and cut up some nice onions, green onions, and we're gonna get our tortillas ready with this queso sauce. Only 20 calories per serving too, so 2 servings, 32 grams. We put our nice veggies on there, cut up the chicken. Once the chicken's nice and diced up, we're gonna bring that on over. So we're gonna put that chicken right on top of those veggies and wrap that thing tight. You see. We're gonna go ahead and wrap both of them up. And once we get that nice and rolled, we are good to go. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Now, we're gonna take the rest of our vitamins, take some nice water with it. Oh yeah. Onto the second snack. We always get a Quest bar, so good. For dinner, we're gonna make some quesadillas. So we got a 1/4 cup of plain fat-free Greek yogurt. We got a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 3 packets of Apriva Splenda, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of jalapenos, and a dash of salt. And we're gonna mix that up and cook our chicken. Get it nice and browned. Let that cook. We're gonna weigh out our feta cheese, 2 servings as well. We're gonna go ahead and spread that sauce on there, put some cheese, put the chicken, jalapenos, and some green onions. And there you have it. You got 2 tortilla wraps. Okay, on to our final snack of the day. We got us about 40 grams of Splenda, some creatine monohydrate, 5 grams. We're gonna go ahead and add us a scoop of protein powder. I'm using chocolate this time. And we got some dark chocolate baking chips. We're gonna use half of a serving, so that'll only be 25 calories. So let's go ahead and measure that bad boy out. Good 8 grams, that's good enough. Get us some Carb Master milk at 60 calories per serving. So we put 240 milliliters in there, that's one serving. And we're gonna add some water until we get to 460 grams. And then we top that off with some ice until we hit about 900 grams. So now we go ahead and pop the lid on, power up the Ninja, set us a timer for 1 minute. Now for 20 seconds, we're gonna leave it on. We added the second speed, another 20 seconds, and then the third speed for the final 20 seconds. And this should bring us up to a whopping 72 ounces. Now, if you go to McDonald's and get a large shake, it's only about 22 ounces at a whopping 800 calories. Here, you're gonna get 72 ounces, only 200 calories, and about double the protein. That's about 2 to 3 times less calories. So I don't know about you, but I know what I'm choosing, and this tastes way better. So I hope y'all enjoy my full day of eating. Until the next one, much love y'all, and peace out.